Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling components that let high RPM exist without failure. Mount the low-mass shaft and rotor blank in a lathe. Cut and dress the rotor to tight run-out tolerance. Wind the armature with fine wire and minimal turns to reduce inductance, and fit a precise commutator with short segments for faster switching. Make sure to install quality ceramic bearings. They tolerate speed better. Once done, pre-balance the rotor. Rough weight to avoid catastrophic vibration early. Now you focus on the complex middle, precise winding and mechanical alignment. Apply short pitch coils to lower inductance. Cure epoxy under rotation to avoid imbalances. Machine the commutator to high concentricity. Fit low-mass carbon brushes and set brush pressure low to reduce friction. Install the stator and hall sensors and shim the air gap to between 0, 2 and 0, 5 mm for optimal torque versus heat. Once aligned, bench run at low voltage to confirm smooth commutation before pushing speed. Finish by integrating the ESC with closed-loop RPM feedback and soft start. Ramp speed slowly while monitoring current and bearing temperature. Ensure end caps and retention clips are torque-checked so the rotor cannot shift at 50,000 RPM, and apply thermal cutoff to protect windings. Once you validate performance under load, log run data to refine settings. If things go wrong, excess vibration, heating, or brush arcing, stop immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.